Forex weekly analysis. It's 29th of July 2018, and yet we are still in season 3, and things are keep getting more and more interesting. Now, without further ado, today I'm not going to cover any economic or fundamental analysis. I'm gonna go straight in to the technical analysis. Now remember guys, this is educational purpose video. It's not meant to be a signal providing service. It's rather to educate you and look at the key levels and key opportunities for this coming week. Now, first and foremost, we're looking at the US dollar index. It's quite important to look at this currency index just to have a reflection on the bias on how the market is going to perform in the coming week. Now, if you look down deep here, the market has been in a very respective range since June. Now we have seen almost now 3 triple tops and almost 2 double bottoms, and the market keeps on trending between this range of 95.03 and 94.20. Now what that tells you is there's a bit of neutrality in the US dollar currency. Hence, I want my bias in this coming week to be based more on the other currencies. So any pair of US dollar, I'll give more bias on the trend of the GBP or the Aussie dollar or the euro. Secondly, I move to GBPUSD. Now, for the past weeks, GBPUSD has been in a tremendous performance. Why? Because of the way it respects the key levels. Look here, this downward trend, this second downward trend, and these candlesticks hit and kiss these points perfectly. Plus, we have this key horizontal line which gives us more confluence on entering the markets. The last week, I remember I told you guys this is going to retrace from these key levels of 1.32 to this target level of 1.3057. The market has done so and it's coming down below here. Now, in the larger time frame, this is a major key level. I'm expecting a reverse comeback here, a rally going back up the coming week. So look out for that guy, 1.3172. Moving on US dollar. US dollar isn't that interesting for me, but the way I see it is that the market has reached this key level here of 110.797, and this is a massive upward trend. So what's gonna happen? Same thing, an upward movement. But there's a lot of things that could go wrong. A downward risk is inevitable in this pair at the moment, so I won't trade for this coming week. So that is unmarked. Thirdly, now fourthly, this is EURUSD. Now I love this pair because it's one of the most traded pair in the world. More than 60% of the traders trade in this market. So there's a lot of volume, there's a lot of volatility, there's a lot of opportunity. Now if you look at our daily time frame here, we can see that the price has respected this key level downward trend. Now based on a rule of trading, the price action, we see the price action is a downward trend. So what's my bias for this week? I see a further downward drop, but a major upward rebound or reverse to these key levels over here. So keep an eye on that one, guys. Fifthly, Euro-Japanese yen. I love this pair. It's one of my best pairs out there because of its ability to respect the key levels and confluency with the Fibonacci. Now I hope you guys know what Fibonacci means. If you don't know what Fibonacci means, go and get my book on strategies of trading on Amazon, which is down down on the link down below, you can get it for a very cheap price. Or you can go and look for other further online materials. Now, the way I see this market at the moment is the downward trend has reached this key resistance level, and I'm expecting a rebound or a retest or further continuation. A retest coming to these levels here, and then a downward continuation to 1.28596. Now, would you want to go long for this market? Don't enter the long yet. Wait for the entry signal where the MACD will converge and give you more confidence on entering the market like this. So anyways guys, thank you so much. Oh, I've been looking on a pair is USDCAD. Now USDCAD also has been a wonderful pair to respect this flag on upward trend. Now what do I see here? I see a further continuation to this key level here of 1.25552. Now this is the moment for me to go long, where the market could rebound here or here. So that's it for you guys today, and thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope you're gonna like it. Please comment down below, subscribe, and invite your friends who want to learn about forex trading. Now remember guys, this is just educating video to look at the key levels, and it's not signal providing service. Also, we're having our own Instagram page. I'll just send you a link down below. Just click on the page and just get in there. We'd love to see your support, and from there get more of an updated information about what we do, the market's performance, and our key levels performance. So thank you so much guys, and see you next week. Bye. The Forex weekly analysis is 29th of July 2018, and yes, we are still in season.